walls of water coming down in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Heavy, prolific rainfall. Wrap your head around this. 30-inch rainfall totals. 30-inch rainfall totals. Louisiana has gotten punched in the gut. People are not getting the message about how dangerous this is, and they are getting into trouble.
This long-term flash flood event is one hell of a Frankenstein freak storm.
Sometimes there are just no words. You have video that speaks for itself, and this is definitely one of them. I mean, what do you say? These are people's neighborhoods. These are people's businesses.
Take a look at this semi swept off the road.
This is Denham Springs, Louisiana, one of the hardest hit locations in the weekend flooding event that we've been telling you about.
If you live anywhere near any rivers or creeks, or you see the water rising, get to safety quickly.
What has happened down here is the wind has changed. Clouds roll in from the north and it starts to rain. Rain real hard and rain for a real long time. 6 feet of water in the streets of Evangeline. River rolls all day, the river rolls all night. Some people got lost in the flood. Some people got away all right. River has busted through, clear down to Clackamas. 6 feet of water in the streets of Evangeline. Louisiana. They're trying to wash us away. They're trying to wash us away. Louisiana. They're trying to wash us away. They're trying to wash us away.